Ever wondered how the websites you visit daily are built? Fascinated by the interactive elements, the smooth navigation, and the visually appealing designs? Well, all these are the works of front-end developers, the architects of the web. Today, we're going to delve into the roadmap to becoming a proficient front-end developer. So, buckle up for an exciting journey into the world of web development. Embarking on the path of front-end development, the starting point lies in understanding the fundamentals. Here's your beginner's roadmap: HTML and CSS. Dive into the basics of HTML, the hypertext markup language, and CSS, the cascading style sheets. These are the building blocks of web pages, allowing you to structure and style them. JavaScript. Next, plunge into the world of JavaScript, the programming language that breathes life into web pages. Get a grip on variables, data types, functions, and control flow. Master DOM manipulation to add interactivity to your pages. Responsive design. Embrace responsive design principles to ensure your websites look good on all devices. It's about making your websites adaptable, from large desktop screens to compact smartphones. Version control. Get acquainted with version control systems like Git. They help you manage your code base, collaborate with others, and keep track of changes. Basic design principles. Understand basic design principles including typography, color theory, and layout. These will help you craft visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to level up. Here's your advanced roadmap. Advanced JavaScript concepts. Dive deeper into JavaScript, exploring advanced topics like closures, prototypes, asynchronous programming, and ES6+ features. This will equip you to become a proficient JavaScript developer. Front-end frameworks. Discover popular front-end frameworks like React, Vue.js, or Angular. These empower you to build scalable and maintainable web applications. CSS preprocessors and postprocessors. Boost your CSS workflow with preprocessors like Sass or Less, and postprocessors like PostCSS. They help automate tasks and optimize your style sheets. Build tools and task runners. Familiarize yourself with build tools like Webpack or Parcel, and task runners like Gulp. These automate repetitive tasks, optimize code, and enhance your development workflow. Accessibility and performance optimization. Ensure your websites are accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. Optimize your code and assets for performance to provide fast and smooth user experiences. And that's it. By adhering to this roadmap and mastering both the fundamentals and advanced topics, you're on your way to becoming an exceptional front-end developer. Stay curious, keep practicing, and continue learning. The realm of web development is always evolving, so relish the journey and enjoy every step. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Until we meet again, happy coding!